These are our new filters we're gonna use. It's MicroGuard and the number is MSA12029. So we have two filters. The housing is clean, the second one is clean, and now we can install the filters back. First one, and here it is, the second one. When you install it back, make sure it's aligned before you tighten the bolts, both of them.